Hello there, thank you for joining me. Today I'm doing a different video to show you how I have created a few coloring pages using AI or artificial intelligence. And without further ado, I'm going to get onto it. I use two different apps. I'm going to be showing you the one that I use from a site called Creative Fabrica. One can also do this using Canva, and if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments and I'll do another short video showing you how that is done. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how I create them using Creative Fabrica. So an easy way to find the site is to type Creative Fabrica into a Google search, and then it opens up. It's an interesting website that you can take out a subscription to, and it offers you so many different things to use. There are all sorts of things to use in creating books for Amazon KDP and their coloring pages and all sorts of things. So once you're there, you can follow instructions and create an account and see how it works. And then to do the AI, you need to click on the CF Spark button, which is their artificial intelligence app. And it gives you all sorts of things, and it shows you how you can use Creative Fabrica, how you can use Spark to create AI, and you can see some of the art that is created by the community on this. All of these images are created using AI, and what you do is you type in a prompt which creates the image. So you can pay extra money, which is another $9.99, to be allowed to hide your prompt. Most of these prompts are hidden, but there are a few. You can see for this little image, she has written all of these things. Amazing, hyper-detailed, cute, Christmas detailed, melanin girl, hyper-detailed curls, hair, big, realistic, grey eyes, realistic candy canes, wide shot, detailed muted colors, intricate filigree, extremely detailed ice crystals, art germ, extremely detailed, hyper detailed, vibrant colors. So there's such a lot written. But I thought it's easier to show you how to make something. I've done a couple of creations myself. My creations are not fabulous as yet. I was playing with creating coloring pages, so I rather like this little bunny that I did. I wrote in a prompt here, 2 cute bunnies, big eyes, carrot to share, sitting on grass, white spaces, black and white line art with details, intricate ink. I'm not mad about the black background, but otherwise I quite like that. I think that's quite a cute picture. This is another coloring page I created, but it's too detailed really to color. I like that one. I copied somebody else's prompt. I created some stickers, a watercolor. I was trying to get bears cleaning a house, some flowers, an owl. I quite like this fairy house that I created. You can see it there. That's also a coloring page, and one can then play with it on a different app to make the grayscale perhaps a little bit less bright and things like that. So I thought, let me show you what happens when you start creating a page. So if you click on the create, you get a little area here where you can type in your description. You also get an aspect ratio. So I will make this 2:3 or maybe 4:5, which is a more normal coloring page sort of aspect ratio. And I thought, let's try doing an African princess coloring page in ink detail. No, let me write line art detailed image, big hair, jewelry. What else could I add to this? White space, clear lines, big eyes. Let's see what we get. So I've typed that in. I have paid an extra $9.99, so it creates it quite quickly. And this is so that if I eventually get some that I like, I want to be able to hide what I've written. I've decided just to pay the $9.99 for 1 month, and then I will cancel that. So I've clicked this ignite, and then you get these the spark, and it's generating the images. Sometimes you get weird things, like some of my bunnies had like 2 heads and weird things, but these are quite pretty African princesses. I don't like that one, don't like that one. Not mad about this one, but I like this one. So I'm going to publish this one. Takes a little while, and then I'm going to remove the prompt because I don't want to keep the others. So there we've got our pretty colouring page. And I think she's not bad. She would actually be quite nice to colour. So I will download her and I'll share her with you if you'd like to colour her. I'll put her on the community feed with, you can then, or I won't put her on the community feed. I'll just tell you here that you can email me and I'll download her in a letter size document, and then you can print her and color her if you would like to. So now let me go back and try another. So I'm removing the prompt, so that one that's published will remain published. And people that belong to Creative Fabrica might find her, and then they'd also be allowed to download her and color her. So I'm going to try Cute Chibi Fairy Girl with curly hair, pretty dress, candy canes, background white, flowers, rainbow. Line art, black and white. And see what we get. I didn't write colouring page, so I'm not sure. Perhaps I should have added colouring page. Yes, I should have added colouring page. I think those are all pretty dreadful. I don't like them. Colouring page. I'll try it again. Chibi girl. Chibi fairy with big eyes. And candy canes with rainbow in the background. White spaces. And let's see what we get. So as you can see, it's not, I think you've got to learn how to type indecent prompts. Okay, these are quite sweet. I like that one. Not mad about that one, but she's not terrible. Don't like her. She's not bad. So I will maybe publish these 3, and then you can email me if you would like any of these pictures to color, and just say you would like one of the Chibi girls or the African princess or even that fairy house that I had. Where are my creations? Oh, I also did this hyper detailed. Let me show you that one. I thought that was quite pretty. Different hyper detailed psychedelic sketch pen and ink. A weird picture, but you might like to color it, I'm not sure. So that was also mine. Where are all my creations? There it was, that one, the fairy princess, the rabbits, I don't think that fairy house, and then the Chibi fairies. Let me know if you'd like them. Please let me know if you've enjoyed this video and if you'd like to see anything more along these lines. I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and say thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye now.